Morning pages, day number 9. Just woke up, as always. I just went to the bathroom, tried to make my hair get wet and look a little decent. It was all over the place. Um, I don't. I had a lot of weird dreams last night. The last one of which I was being kind of like interrogated about my job choices. And I just feel I, I don't know. I'm kind of just still feeling that effect of that dream. I don't know. It's strange, but I don't really have much to report right now. I just kind of want to get into it. I have a bunch of stuff I have to do today, and just want to. So I'm just gonna go get into it and see what happens. So today's the 28th, and I'm gonna start. Day 9. 1 page, 2 page, page 3. Yeah, I don't. As far as saying anything about those pages, um, that was probably the most indecisive I've ever been with it all. Um, there was a lot of indecisiveness over a wide spectrum of things. I was really feeling, probably from waking up from that dream that I had, I was really feeling um, like back into old places that I was. And so writing that stuff and doing what I was doing, exploring that, I was kind of exploring the indecisive nature of myself and looking at ways that I am making decisions in life and how I'm slowly making a change to get to where I want to be. It's essentially what it was. Again, more extracting things, self examination sort of stuff. Um, that seems to be what it is. I don't know. I don't really have anything today, much else to say. Um, I'm tired still, but I'm just gonna go out and start the day. So I'll see you all tomorrow for day 10. It's gonna be double digits tomorrow, so that'll be a milestone. So I'll see y'all later.